Hi guys, welcome back to Kitchen Colony. Let's make a sandwich filler. And I hope you have been enjoying what I've been presenting to you so far. And on this channel, I try to find creative ways in which we can prepare and enjoy the meals that we're so accustomed to. I try to do that so that it suits different palates. But it is still yummy and still tasty, and a quick and easy way to do it also. I'd like to thank my subscribers and my viewers for supporting my channel. It is really appreciated. Today I'll be showing you how I make chicken sandwich filler in my household. Now the one I'm going to show you today is one that is actually called here a paste, and it is kept in a bottle and it's usually on the counter in a supermarket. But because I'm not going to use food paste, which is a chemical, I'll be using gelatin. I'll have to keep mine in the refrigerator. Now this filler can be add cold cut, put it in a sandwich if you like it that way, but I like it best when it is placed on a piece of bread and put in the toast and it is grilled with a little cheese, and that's the best way to have it for me. But it's safer to eat because you're not eating the chemical and you know what is in your sandwich filler. Now if you'd like to see me do this, then continue watching. Now to begin this process, we need some chicken. Any part of the chicken can be used, but in here I have a kilogram of chicken breast. I'm going to use an onion, some bay leaves, and then some pimento berry. Here we have gelatin, and then over here we need some jerk seasoning, but that is for the second stage. Over here our salt and some garlic cloves, and then 500 ml of water. Now you need containers. I have a cylindrical container right here. That's what you need. If you don't have one, get a clean plastic bottle with no grooves and then just cut it to fit the size that you need. Now it's time to get our meat cooking. Now in our pot we're going to throw the water. We're going to cook it for about 20 minutes. Now to the pot we're going to add our onion because we're creating a stock. The garlic, I've cracked them. The bay leaves and the pimento berry. Then we add some salt. Teaspoon of green seasoning, and we're going to allow this to cook for 20 minutes, not rapid. We're going to make it cook at medium heat. Now it is cooked, it's time to turn the stove off. And we're going to remove the meat and cut them up. I'm removing the meat now. It's thoroughly cooked, almost breaking off. And you want it tender because deli meat is supposed to be tender. So we're going to use the stock that is left. We need at least 300 ml. Do what we're doing. Now we strain the stock. You want to strain it. You don't want these particles in it. You only want this clear stock. Now that we have our stock strained, this is 2 tablespoons and a half of gelatin, and we need to dissolve it in the hot stock. And that's the first thing we're going to do. This binds the meat. Here I have a range of seasoning, and use whatever seasoning you want. I have some paprika, mixed herb, and some coriander powder. Then I have some, I think it's all-purpose garlic, and black pepper, and also complete. I have some pepper seasoning right here, salt and pepper seasoning, and jerk. And you know, to get that typical color, I'm going to use a little red coloring. It's time to shred our meat. So we're going to use our hand, and we're going to pull it apart because we're going to blend it. Let's pull the meat apart. You can use a food processor, whatever you have, but I've decided to use a blender today. Now it's time to season our meat. Remember, you know, these fillers can be bland when you buy it in the supermarket. Just season the way you like. Make it tasty for yourself. And you know, chicken breast is very bland. Then we add a little of this salt and pepper. A pinch. Just a pinch. And now we're going to add our stock. If you need more than this, then you add a little water. Be very careful. Now this is it. This is the consistency. Now remember, you know, everything is cooked, so you can taste to see if you want salt, pepper. And if it's okay with you, then you get ready to pour in your containers. We take a little oil on a napkin and just rub the inside of a container so that when you're taking out your meat, it slips out easily. Right? That's it. Now I'm going to remove half of the mixture because I'm going to add some jerk seasoning to this half. And this one is not as spicy, and this is for my son. And to give it that authentic color, I'm going to add a little color red, a little red to get that color. Now it's time to pour in our container. It's time to close it, and this goes into your fridge for 24 hours. That's the first one done. Now this one is going to be the jerk, and I'm going to use a heaped tablespoon of jerk in this one. Oh, this is going to be hot. And I'm not going to add color. I'm going to leave it in its authentic state. Now if you want, you could add a little browning to make it give it a nice color, but I don't mind this one because you're going to see the pieces of jerk in it, and that's what I like. As stated before, remember when you're blending, this is a consistency you want. So I started out with 1 cup, but I kept adding. I added at least 2 cups to mine to get this consistency. So you keep checking your thing, it should not be thicker than this. store in the fridge 24 hours. Now our luncheon meat is ready and it's time to take it out of the container. Use a knife similar to this and go around the sides and try to ease it out. And here we have it. Now we're going to make some slices, as thick as you want. I'm doing it this thick because I want to taste it when it gets into my sandwich. Now you can store it in a Ziploc bag or you can use cling film, whichever way, or in a container itself. And if I'm going to put it up, I put it in the freezer if I want to. If I make a lot, and then when I'm ready, I take it out the night before, put it in the refrigerator to thaw and start all over again. Here you have it. Here's our jerk luncheon meat. Now guys, the smell is so wonderful. Unlike the ones you buy in the supermarket, you don't have any smell. This smells so wonderful. You can smell the jerk, the seasoning, and I know it's going to be delicious. Now here you have it guys, your chicken sandwich filler. Now it's placed in bread with all the vegetables that we like and all the sauce and stuff that we put in our sandwich. And you can enjoy it just like any other meat filler. There we have it. Enjoy. Thank you for watching my video, and if you have not yet subscribed, please remember to do so. And if you've enjoyed this video, then please remember to give me a thumbs up, as this helps to promote my video to others, and also it helps to grow my channel. Thank you very much again for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.